Hi friends, so today I'm taking you through my wash routine featuring some new products from Prose that have really been working for my hair. So my wash day actually starts the night before, and I comb through my hair with my fingers, just getting through all the knots. I then take a bit of coconut oil, warm it up in my hands, and apply it to all of my hair. But I especially focus on the ends because this is where my hair gets dry. I give myself a quick scalp massage to get the blood flowing. This is so nostalgic for me as an Indian woman. We've been doing this for centuries. And then I leave it in overnight. So Prose analyzed my hair type, but also where I live, so they could look at the environmental factors that affect my hair. I learned that where I live, the hard water was causing residue buildup in my hair. So they sent me personalized products for my area and my hair needs. Also, Prose is B Corp certified. We love a company that's mindful about its practices. The bottles came with a reusable pump, so when I get a refill, I don't need to get a new pump. Okay, so on to washing. I completely wet my hair and start out with shampoo first. I take a couple of pumps and apply them to the very top of my head. Once it's lathered up at the top of my head, I then work it into the ends of my hair. With shampoo, I don't leave it in for long and wash it out after about 30 seconds. Since my hair is extra greasy because of the coconut oil, I like to shampoo twice. Wash it out, and then it's time for conditioner. I take a couple of pumps of the conditioner and apply it only to the ends of my hair, especially working in at the nape of my neck where I get all my tangles. I like to leave conditioner in for about 2 minutes before washing it out completely. When I'm done with my shower, I like to let my hair towel dry and then air dry, and when it's about halfway dry, I detangle it with a wooden comb, because plastic combs make my hair really staticky. Combs also cause less breakage than hairbrushes, but it is important to stay gentle and slow. With the Prose hair oil, a little goes a long way, so I take about 3 drops, rub it in my hands, and then apply it to the ends of my hair where it gets the most dry. Okay, so this is what my hair looks like completely air dried. It is pretty straight, and sometimes I leave it this way, but if I'm in the mood to switch it up, I will braid it and leave the braid in for a few hours to add some waves. This is what my hair looks like after I take the braid out, and other than the fact that I'm always fixing my bangs, I love the way that the Prose products make my hair look and feel.